Hi guys, I'm Kate and this is Lucy.
Hi.
And today I'm going to show you how to do a fun festival look using Dove and PaintGlow. For that festival glow, Lucy's been using Dove Summer Revived Gradual Self Tan. How have you been getting on with it, Lucy?
I've been applying it for about 3 days now. I don't think there's any streaking, it looks really great. The colour's fantastic.
Now I've picked two of my favourite colours. Green is going to be the main colour in this look and the white's going to add the extra sparkle to it. The great thing about this product is it's already mixed with the gel, so you don't need any glue to apply it. And to apply this product, I'm going to be using a brush. However, you can use your fingers for it as well. So I'm going to take the product and put it onto my hand. And then I'm just pressing it on in the areas that I'm going to want it. Now, if you don't want quite a heavy look, you can just use one layer and make it quite light, or we can build it up. So this is my second colour and this will really complement the green. Okay, so now we're going to go onto the collarbones. A great tip about glitter is you want to apply it to everywhere that you'd want to highlight. So you'd highlight your cheekbones, your collarbones, your shoulder blades. So you just want to do that with the glitter to make it really pop. So now that we've got the statement bit on the collarbone where I've patted it, I'm now using the brush to actually drag the glitter down so it's more scattered. Okay, so I'm going to apply a thinner layer to the shoulders. So for this I've got both colours on my hand and I'm going to use my fingers to apply it instead of my brush. I've really dragged it down now and blended it into the collarbone. And now to complete the look, I'm going to use some Vaseline and put it on your lips. And that's the complete festival look done. And now you're ready to party.